How to disable Zscaler without a password. Now, the very last resort that we can do is to go ahead and reset our PC. We make sure that you have important files that has already been backed up. This is just a smooth and a soft reset. So to do so, just go to your Windows icon, click on that, and then just type in reset. Now choose on reset this PC. That will take you out to your system settings. Then here, you just have to go to recovery, and then on advanced startup setup, just choose on restart now. Once your PC is fully restarted, you can go ahead and manually reset your PC without involving your important files. So before doing this method, make sure that all your important files has already been backed up before doing this process. So once resetting the PC has completely started, you should be able to start up your PC without the scaler or without the Zscaler password needing it.